So this is the unit, security system, entry door to let people in, camera. Living room space, dining room over there, powder room right here, closet space. This is the only patio area. It's private, walls, nobody can see you. It's on the first floor. Hey, how are you? Pretty good, how are you?
Good.
So they're gonna add plants and all that stuff. It's just adding stuff right now.
Nice to see you.
Dining room area.
Yeah, just doing a couple.
Living room space. Kitchen, all redone, mastered, clean.
But I wanted to see this because I haven't seen this building.
Their closet. Very large storage. Upstairs. And we'll start to the right. 2 guest bedrooms. The one they're using as an office right now. The other one is a bedroom. Storage right here. Brand new washer and dryer, comes included. So this is a bedroom, but like I said, they're using it as an office space right now. And a closet as well. Walk-in closet. Pretty large actually for a guest bedroom. There. That's the bathroom for these 2 for the guest bedrooms. The next guest bedroom. Nice and bright. The light is off right now. Little views. Another pretty large closet, walk in. Into the bathroom. Shower and tub, views. And then to the master. Pretty large master space. Put the TV up there. Views as well. And then that's the bathroom, sliding door. Extra large walk-in closet. Actually wraps around a little bit even more. More space. Hangers. And then here into the bathroom. The whole thing. Nice, extremely modern. Tub, shower, toilet, more storage. And that's the whole house. Back downstairs.